Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the lock screen methods on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So as I turn on my device, you can see that I have the screen lock, and I'm gonna show you the three screen lock types, which are gonna be pattern, pin and password, and we're gonna set them together. So let's go to the settings. Then I'm gonna go to the security and privacy lock screen. Then I'm gonna enter my current screen lock because I have one, but if you don't, then you'll not be asked about it. And then you can set a pin, a password, or a pattern, and the pattern will be the least secure of them all, but it's still secure enough. I mean, it's not that easy to guess it if you set it to something more difficult. So let's change the pattern, and instead of that L that I had, you can, for example, set it to something more difficult. Maybe it was even too easy, so let's retry. You can set it to really something difficult like that, although I don't remember it anymore, so I'm not gonna redraw it. You need to remember your pattern, remember that, because if you forget it, you'll need to reset your phone and all data will be erased, and you'll still need to use to unlock it with, I guess, either a Samsung account or a Google account. So you just need to remember your pattern. You can set it to something like that as well, or anything, honestly, but it's still not as secure as the pin or the password. So I'm gonna cancel that and show you the pin. So in the pin, you can set it to at least 4 digits, although 6 digits is recommended. Let's see if we can also set more, maybe 12. So I'm gonna set it to something simple, but of course it is recommended to have that do something less simple. Then you can enable or disable option confirm pin without tapping OK. So that means that when this option is enabled, then it'll confirm pin. Whenever you just type in the correct amount of digits, it'll check if the pin is correct, and if it has OK, then it'll check the pin after you click on OK. So if you so it's also hard to guess how many digits are in the pin. So I'm gonna click on continue, then set it again. You can see it's pretty dull to have that long pin, but I just wanted to check if you can set it like to have 30 digits, and now it has. So now when I lock my screen, I can just unlock it with this pin. And it's unlocked. So now let's go to my other thing. Oh yeah, oh no, I need to enter it again. Okay, now let's go to the password, and you can set the password. It has to have at least 4 characters, including at least one letter. So let's set it to Of course, these types of password that I'm setting right now are not really safe and secure. You should set it to something that isn't a word, isn't your name or surname, and maybe isn't your birth date. So set it to something more difficult, harder to guess. Then, of course, you need to remember that as well. And now I'm gonna click on OK. And now I have the password set. So in order to unlock with the password, I need to click on the field, then enter the password, then click on done, and it'll unlock it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.